ERRE is the leading operator of fiber optic communication in Galicia, Spain. In little more than a decade, ERRE has deployed a modern network that brings the benefits of the information society to homes and businesses. ERRE is the leader in high-speed, multi-channel TV, fixed telephony, and competes aggressively with large mobile operators. ERRE is a non-conventional company that has leveraged its proximity to its market as a key differential and added value in the highly competitive telecommunications market. Denodo's data virtualization technology enables the extraction and integration of structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data into a unified virtual data layer and its delivery in real time, allowing ERRE to obtain a single view of customer information from disparate data sources. This solution is not only a technology breakthrough, but a mind shift in the way of doing business and leveraging corporate data. Among the key benefits resulting from the data virtualization solution, we find facilitating R&D&I for the deployment of new products and services with highly reduced costs and times to market. Direct and significant savings in ERRE's data integration costs. Support in the integration of the organization's existing systems. IT services alignment with the business needs in terms of flexibility and agility. User productivity thanks to the elimination of redundancies in manual data collection processes. Decoupling of applications from data sources so that these are not affected by data changes, be it location, technology, or data schemes. Basically, giving the organization a complete and 360-degree view of corporate data. If to all this we add significant reductions in implementation times and costs, the end result is a truly unique data integration solution.
My name is Bernardo Mantega. Basically, I oversee all the systems required to efficiently support our business processes. My mission is to manage the budget allocated to these systems, coordinate my team's work, and facilitate their collaboration with others. My name is Manuel Doval, and I am ERRE's Information Technology Director, a position I have held since the inception of the company. From the start, the IT department here in ERRE has been highly focused on business needs and requirements.
What was the key issue that made you decide on the need for a new data integration solution?
Initially, we had a specific project, building a customer self-service portal. That is a significant challenge in any telecommunications operator due to the complexity of system maps. Customer project and service-related information is disseminated across various systems, and the truth is we were running into roadblocks in integrating these systems that were complicating the launch of the project. As the project barriers grew, a new direction was required. Creating a data virtualization environment was the approach we evaluated, and Denodo's solution fitted the bill perfectly.
Why did you choose Denodo over the competition?
We had very specific information integration requirements, and Denodo offered us the solution that exactly matched our needs. In addition, Denodo's data virtualization provided an additional bonus, not available from other vendors: the ability to protect our information systems with a cache layer that prevents the possibility of mass access to those systems and their data. In addition, we saw in Denodo a company that has very similar values to ours, a capacity for innovation that guarantees a constantly updated product, and a very close partnership that allows us the hands-on support required.
What are ERRE's key strengths?
Very clearly, our focus is on our customers and their needs. So much so that in many cases, even our CEO personally responds to customer queries and issues.
What were the benefits realized from the data virtualization implementation?
Key benefits are the reduced costs and deployment times. Time and cost are two issues that are closely linked, and we estimate the reduction ratio to exceed 50%. Additional related benefits? Thanks to the cost and time reduction, we are able to go to market faster, and the data virtualization solution caters to our IT systems being more aligned with our business's ever-evolving needs.
What benefits do you believe have been perceived by your customers since the data virtualization deployment?
Clearly, the provisioning of self-service capabilities that allow clients to manage product and services-related actions on their own. For example, changing a password, requesting a speed increase, the ability to do many things that before they were not able to do themselves, as they needed to go through the call center. Our customers now have far more independence. Clients no longer need to depend on a response from the call center, which, given the nature of a call center, can sometimes respond quickly and other times less so. Clients can now do what they need, when they need to. Simply going online, entering our customer website, and doing things that previously we had never dreamed would be possible via self-service.
Could you share more details around the implementation times?
The truth is that implementation and deployment times were highly satisfactory. We took a project plan that we already had in place and tried to expedite its implementation by deploying the Denodo Data Virtualization solution. In the end, the completion of the project and the deployment of Denodo's solution took about 6 months, which is less than half the time of what we had estimated with our initial project's development. An excellent improvement.
What has been the direct business impact since the data virtualization implementation?
For starters, we have seen a clear increase in customer loyalty, with an approximate percentage increase of 10 to 15%. We have also been able to greatly improve our time to market for new products and services. Being able to launch new products and services sooner has a clear and direct impact on the company's revenue.
What are the next steps with Denodo and data virtualization?
We will continue to work with Denodo for 2 reasons. One, because as we continue to provide our customers with additional services, new information requirements need to be addressed. New data needs that are addressed with Denodo's technology. The second reason being that with our data virtualization deployment, we access over 110 different data sources, not merely databases, but information sources that run from structured to unstructured information. Denodo's technology and innovation capacity allows us to manage the maintenance of this access and allows us to do so faster as we delve into new sources. There have been system information requirements that have originated, for example, from legal compliance requirements and not end customer needs, that have been successfully undertaken with our virtual data layer. Had we relied on other technology or tools, this compliance requirement would have been far more complex and required a much higher investment in both budget and infrastructure, additional investments that we have gladly not had to undertake.
Can you tell us about R's next steps?
In the short term, we are focusing on meeting our budgets, both revenue and costs, while maintaining our ability to over-deliver on our customers' expectations. We do not play into other telecommunication vendors' battles of simply giving customers cheaper products, though we in no way are the most expensive player. Our key aim is to provide quality. In the medium time frame, we look to ensure a continued growth. We are still actively developing our network, both the core network and the access network, the last mile from the area with the core to the actual household or office. 5 years ago, beyond the 7 main cities in the region, we reached about 50 additional smaller locations. Today, this number has increased by 160%. We reach over 80 additional locations and continue to grow. We realize that for a telecommunication company that has to build a network, rural regions are a difficult market. as there are thousands of kilometers of fiber optic cable that needs to be laid. The geographical dispersion of the end user is a handicap. But on the other hand, as this is a scenario we have already assumed, by keeping our customer base happy and over-delivering to their expectations, we look to recoup the investment in the long term. Longer term, God only knows.
Why would you recommend Denodo?
Moving beyond the product's innovation and capabilities, I would recommend Denodo because of its openness and accessibility. Having a vendor that provides reliability and transmits honesty is essential for us at R. You lose a lot of time with some vendors in establishing a level of confidence that allows a comfortable relationship, both from a contractual point of view and from the management and collaboration in a project. Having both areas covered, reliability and honesty, is half your work done.